Dr. Shiva Ayyadurai, real solutions to real problems. I want to talk about the essence of climate change. You see, everyone talks about climate change, and yet no one really talks about climate change. The real issue with climate change is not whether it's going on or not. That's a discussion and a debate that can go on forever. But what we all can agree on is we need to lower pollution. There's a great video I did talking about the Paris Accords. You can find a link to on the internet. But fundamentally what I talk about is we need to lower pollution so we can have clean air, clean water, and clean food. I've spent most of my life around this topic. And the lawyer lobbyists and the career politicians in Congress really have not focused around that. They've talked about climate change all day. In fact, the Paris Accords allows China to go from 11 billion tons of carbon today to 22 billion tons. In fact, it allows them to pollute, and it incentivizes more pollution. So a few set of people become trillionaires on carbon equity credits. What we need to do is we need to unleash innovation to lower pollution, cleaning the air, cleaning the water, and cleaning the land. And that's what I will do for you. Thank you.